Deep cleaning your kitchen after a long day can seem like a monumental, even overwhelming task, but with a systematic, step-by-step approach and the right cleaning tools and products, it becomes entirely manageable and, surprisingly, immensely satisfying. It's not merely about tidying up, it's profoundly about creating a truly hygienic, welcoming, and refreshing environment for the very heart of your home. Let's break down exactly how to conquer this culinary battlefield, transforming it from a scene of daily chaos into one of pristine, sparkling order. Our meticulous journey begins even before we touch a single cleaning product or spray bottle. First and foremost, you must clear all surfaces. This means diligently putting away groceries, stashing away small appliances, like toasters and coffee makers, into their designated spots, and gathering up any stray dishes, cutlery, or cooking utensils that might be lingering on countertops. A cluttered countertop is an absolute impediment to effective and efficient cleaning. So embrace the glorious state of an empty canvas, ready for transformation. Next, address the biggest culprits, the dirty dishes. If you are fortunate enough to have a dishwasher, load it efficiently and smartly, ensuring you scrape off all excess food particles before carefully placing items inside. For hand washing, generously fill your sink with hot, sudsy water, perhaps adding a touch of a good quality dish soap for extra cleaning power. Tackle those stubborn pots and pans first, especially those with dried on or baked on food, allowing them ample time to soak if necessary, while you efficiently move on to less challenging items. Remember to thoroughly clean and sanitize the sink itself. After all the dishes are done, neglecting this step negates much of your prior hard work and dedication. Now that the main obstacles and visual clutter are removed, we can progress to a more targeted and impactful cleaning attack. Begin by thoroughly decluttering and meticulously wiping down the stovetop and the oven exterior. Spills, splatters, and food debris often harden and become stubborn, so a damp cloth, combined with a little potent dish soap or an effective all-purpose cleaner, can work absolute wonders, dissolving grime with ease. For particularly greasy areas, a specialized kitchen degreaser might prove absolutely necessary for that deep clean. Pay meticulous attention to the burner grates and the often overlooked control knobs, as these intricate areas tend to accumulate a surprising amount of grease and grime incredibly easily. Once the stovetop is impeccably sparkling and shining, shift your unwavering focus to the countertops. These critical surfaces come into direct and constant contact with food, making them prime breeding grounds for unseen bacteria and germs. Use a good quality, antibacterial kitchen cleaner or opt for a simple, yet effective solution of white vinegar and water for a natural, eco-friendly alternative. Spray the entire surface generously, allowing the solution to sit for a crucial moment to effectively break down any residue or dried-on spills. Then wipe thoroughly with a clean, lint-free microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. Don't forget the often neglected backsplash and any adjacent wall areas that might have been hit by splashes or splatters during your culinary adventures. The refrigerator exterior, including the top, frequently gets overlooked in daily cleaning routines. Wipe down the doors, handles, and any visible seals, paying attention to the often grimy bottom seal. If your refrigerator boasts a water and ice dispenser, give that frequently touched area extra special attention, as it can harbor a surprising amount of germs and bacteria. A quick, yet thorough wipe down of the microwave, interior and exterior, is also absolutely essential. Food splatters inside can lead to unpleasant odors and become breeding grounds for bacteria if left unattended. A simple yet effective trick is to place a bowl of water with a slice of lemon or a splash of white vinegar inside. Microwave it for a few minutes until it steams, which helps loosen stubborn cake on food, making it significantly easier to wipe away with minimal effort. Moving downwards, address the kitchen cabinets and drawer fronts. Fingerprints, grease, and food smudges are incredibly common, and can accumulate quickly. A damp cloth with a mild all-purpose cleaner usually suffices for most finishes. For wooden cabinets, use a wood-friendly cleaner or polish specifically designed to nourish and protect the wood, avoiding harsh chemicals that could cause damage. Crucially, don't neglect the handles and knobs, which are frequently touched by multiple hands throughout the day and can harbor a myriad of germs. Finally, the floor. This is, without a doubt, often the dirtiest and most trafficked part of the entire kitchen. Start by diligently sweeping or vacuuming to remove all loose crumbs, dirt, and larger debris. Then, mop the floor using a suitable floor cleaner appropriate for your specific flooring type. For tile floors, a robust mixture of warm water and a little potent dish soap or a dedicated tile cleaner works exceptionally well, tackling grout grime. For hardwood floors, use a product specifically designed for wood. To avoid streaking, dullness, or potential damage, pay extra, meticulous attention to corners and underneath appliances, where dirt and dust bunnies tend to accumulate stealthily. As you mop, consider changing your water frequently to avoid merely spreading dirty water around, which defeats the purpose of cleaning. After the floor is completely dry, step back and truly admire your magnificent handiwork. A deep clean kitchen isn't just visually appealing and inviting, it profoundly contributes to a healthier living environment, significantly reduces the risk of pests, and makes future cooking and dining experiences immeasurably more enjoyable and stress-free. The act of cleaning itself, though initially daunting after a long and tiring day, can, with practice, transform into a meditative and deeply satisfying ritual, leaving you with an immense sense of accomplishment and a fresh, inviting space to start anew tomorrow. Consider lighting a delicately scented candle or using an essential oil diffuser after your cleaning spree to further enhance the fresh feeling and provide a truly calming and serene ambiance.